Hi there, friends. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. Current time is 9:56 here on this Thursday evening. Hope everybody had a great day. Now, as far as our weather was concerned, we only had a couple of stray showers towards the highlands, and those happened in the afternoon. Outside of that, today was pretty quiet, pretty dry. It's not the case any longer. As expected, we're starting to see this low pressure system impacting the area. It is certainly bringing some rain showers, especially into the highlands and the New River Valley. Those are the two zones right now seeing the most amount of rain. And the rain showers are indeed moving to the east at a clip of around about 25 to 30 miles per hour. As we do a couple of zooms alongside you, first of all, you'll notice some green showing up near Lynchburg. If this is indeed reaching the ground, it's very, very light showers. It's almost like sprinkles or drizzle as you head in towards Lynchburg. As you head a little bit closer, say towards Bedford, that's where we're seeing some lighter showers. But again, this is very, very light, and some of this is not reaching the ground. All of this is. All right, as promised, let's do those zooms. You'll notice that we are seeing some lighter showers extending from the Bath and Highland County line all the way south through Covington, even into areas very close to Newcastle, if not right over Newcastle. We're seeing some showers right now, so right along that 220 corridor, it's a wet go of it from the Homestead all the way through Covington. Clifton Forge, not getting all that wet just yet. It's wetter in Covington than it is in Clifton Forge, but that'll be changing here within about the next 3 to 5 minutes. Even Fincastle and Botetourt County seeing some showers. Then as we head a little bit further down to the south and to the west, certainly seeing some showers into portions of Bland, with Grayson and also Carroll counties. The heaviest rain that we're seeing here in the viewing area happening in Wythe County and also into southern Bland County. So it's a pretty wet go of it right now, right along I-77 from Fort Chiswell south towards the Carroll County line, and also from the Bland and Wythe County line all the way south towards Wytheville. So again, we are looking at the Mountain Empire, New River Valley, perhaps the wettest zone as we speak. What we're looking at here is this front pushing through here as we head into tonight and into tomorrow. Okay, so this is going to be a rainmaker that stays with us tonight and then ends probably around the early afternoon hours tomorrow. So this is not going to be a system that impacts us for that long. It's going to be in and out of here really, really quickly. But you'll notice that to the north, that's where we're seeing some snow towards New England, and also to the west, we are seeing some heavy rain and even some stronger thunderstorms in and around Tennessee, but those thunderstorms are certainly going to be missing southwest central and south side Virginia. So future tracker shows that as we go throughout the course of the overnight, the trend will be for the amount of rain we see to decrease slowly but surely. Okay, so I think the rain is probably going to be maximized over the next 2 to 3 hours, and then after that, we're still going to have some showers around daybreak tomorrow. You need to know that. But the amount of rain we see, the coverage area we see, not going to be quite as large as it will be, say, at midnight. As we continue to go through time, it does look as though on Friday we're going to have the chance for some lingering showers, especially in areas along and south of Highway 460. Those rain showers will start to, I think, pull out of here as we get closer to about 2:30 tomorrow afternoon. So again, we're thinking that tonight, the wettest time for us will be from now through about 2 a.m., maybe a little bit of a break, and then we're going to be wettest tomorrow from around 7 a.m. through about 2 p.m. Okay, so the morning hours tomorrow are going to be wetter than the latter part of the afternoon on Friday. And again, I'm looking at the rainfall totals being a little bit higher south with this and a little bit lower to the north. Regardless, by late tomorrow afternoon, I do think that we'll actually break out in a little bit of sunshine for a short period of time before the sun goes down. And then we're going to have some wraparound moisture likely pushing in as we head into tomorrow evening. What that will do is provide us a few more rain showers in the lower elevations and potentially a couple of light snow showers towards the west slopes. Again, this will be tomorrow night. Let's talk Saturday. There's quite a bit to talk about on Saturday now. Saturday starts dry. Saturday may see a couple of breaks of sunshine in the morning, but look what happens as we head into Saturday afternoon. Yeah, we start to see some rain and snow moving in. We have up the chances for precipitation on Saturday. Certainly it looks like areas along and east of the Parkway, it's rain showers. So if you're watching us in Lynchburg and Southside, that's where you're just going to see a plain old rain. However, towards the highlands, towards the New River Valley, especially the higher elevations of those two areas, that's where you're going to see more snow showers. So yes, it is possible for us from Saturday midday through Saturday evening to have a light snowfall accumulation out across portions of the highlands and the New River Valley. Right now, it'd be in the higher terrain, and any snowfall accumulation would be an inch or less. Okay. Again, further east, it's just rain. Further west, that's where we're going to see a little bit more in the way of some wintry weather. It's not going to be heavy wintry weather, just going to be, a little bit of snow showers here or there. Now, as far as future tracker is concerned, you will notice again that we could certainly see a light accumulation into portions of Bath, Highland, maybe also into the northern parts of the Rockbridge and Amherst County line. Okay, we're talking areas very close to maybe the peaks of Otter, perhaps seeing a light snowfall accumulation. So areas right along the Rockbridge, Nelson, and Amherst County line, we could see a very light snowfall accumulation heading into Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Could also see a light snowfall accumulation in places like Mountain Lake, western parts of Bland County, and also towards White Top, towards Mount Rogers. Those are the areas, again, that could see a light snowfall accumulation for us here as we head Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Again, those would be the higher terrain of Highland and Bath counties, also the higher terrain of Rockbridge County, areas right along the Rockbridge, Amherst, Nelson County line. Could see a light snowfall accumulation at Mountain Lake and also in areas close to White Top. Again, most of us see rain showers on Saturday, but those higher terrain and also areas in the mountains, that's where we're going to see the chance for some snow showers. And here's the deal. This winter hasn't been a complete bust like it was last winter when most of us got under an inch of snow. But this winter hasn't been great either. Okay, we had certainly that one snowfall that brought about 90 to 95% of our snowfall accumulations in many of our backyards. That was earlier on. The two snowiest months for us are January and February. And as we close the book on February here over the course of the next roughly week to 10 days, you'll notice in March that the chance for snow goes way down, okay? And it certainly looks like as you look at the computer models, as we go into March, we're going to be in store for a warm-up. So I don't think, at least at this point, that we're going to have, any big widespread snowfall coming our way anytime soon. And what that means is, could some of us be done with snow this year? Yes. I think some of us will be done with snow. Now, that being said, it wouldn't surprise me if portions of the Highlands, New River Valley have a couple more chances for snow as we head into March and potentially even into April. But are we going to pick up on any big kahunas, any, big widespread snowstorms at this point in time? I don't think so. Okay. Certainly it looks like we're going to have that big cool down on Saturday. That's where we're going to have that chance for some mountain snow showers. But once we get beyond Saturday, the mercury skyrockets. We'll talk more about that here in just one second. Now, we're falling behind quickly as far as snowfall totals are concerned, at least when you look at climatological numbers. The winter of 2023-24, we are about 6 to 12 inches below average as far as our snowfall totals are concerned. Kind of depressing if you're a snow lover. I love snow. I don't like ice, but I do love snow. And this winter, we've gotten a little bit more than what we got last year, but again, it's, we would need 6 to 12 more inches of snow to get to those normal amounts that we usually see on average, and that's not going to happen. All right, friends, let's look into next week. Certainly looks like next week we're going to be impacted by another system. It looks like Sunday's quiet, Monday's pretty quiet too, even Tuesday doesn't look too bad. But as we look at Wednesday into Thursday, that's where we're going to be impacted by another strong system, a stronger system, frankly, than the one that's impacting us right now. And what that will do is provide us a better chance for a more widespread heavy rain. Again, this is late Wednesday into Thursday. And it could also, because we're going to be very warm next week, we're also going to have the chance for some thunderstorms. So the chance for a couple of stronger thunderstorms is indeed in the forecast for us from late Wednesday, especially into Thursday of next week. This front is going to certainly cool us down. And keep in mind, we're talking about temperatures early next week, 65 to 70 degrees. Behind it, I think temperatures will fall into the 50s by Friday. So again, much cooler air will work its way in on the backside of this front. Could turn even colder than the 50s as we head into next weekend. And maybe we'll see a couple more mountain snow showers as we head into next weekend as well. But again, this next big storm system that we're going to be dealing with is going to be rain. And that will happen for us here later Wednesday into Thursday of next week. And that one could bring us a chance for some thunderstorms. We're springing forward, no doubt. I told you about that cool down on Saturday, highs in the 30s and 40s. That's it, but it's short-lived. We're going to have temperatures well into the 50s by Sunday, well into the 60s. Some areas maybe approaching 70 or above 70 as we head into Tuesday of next week. So highs next week, 60s, even some 70s, with that chance for rain returning as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Could even have a stray thunder shower on Tuesday, but it looks like the two wettest days next week will come for us on Wednesday and on Thursday. We're springing forward, no doubt. Forecast highs Monday through Wednesday of next week, 60s to near 70. Average highs are only supposed to be in the 50s. It's going to feel more like late March outside for us, maybe even early April as we look at the start of the next work week. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, highs 65 to 70. Right now at 10:06, it is 40 in Hot Springs, 47 Wytheville, 59 in Roanoke, also at Smith Mountain Lake, 57 Lynchburg, and 55 as we speak in Danville. So temperatures pretty mild outside for us right now. As far as those winds are concerned, it's going to be breezy, certainly going to be breezy at times for us here over the next 3 days. It looks like wind gusts tomorrow anywhere from about 10 to 30 miles per hour for most of us. I will tell you that the winds are probably going to be even stronger than that as you go into the higher terrain. So just know that, yes, indeed, the winds are going to be a factor for us here Friday, Saturday, maybe to a lesser extent on Sunday. But again, tomorrow, like south side's going to have gusts about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Roanoke between 10 and 30 miles per hour, ditto for Lynchburg. Then you go into the Highlands and you go into the NRV. We're looking at wind gusts about 20 to 40 miles per hour. So again, wind's certainly going to be a talker for us as we head into Friday and potentially even as we head into Saturday. So for tonight, mostly cloudy. Rain is going to fill in. We're going to have passing showers around. Many of us already seeing those showers as we talked about earlier on the radar. Overnight lows tonight, anywhere between about 43 and 49. For the day tomorrow, leftover rain in the morning, but by the afternoon, we're going to start to dry things out slowly but surely, such that by 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow, we should, at least some of us, start to see a little bit of sunshine. Highs tomorrow mainly in the 50s and even some 60s. Now, your extended forecast showing highs in the 30s and 40s on Saturday, 47 in Roanoke, but you folks like in Hot Springs, Wytheville, maybe even Hillsville, Harrisburg, probably not going to get out of the 30s. 57 though on Sunday, 65 Monday, 66 Tuesday, 69 Wednesday, and if you're 69 on Wednesday in Roanoke, you're probably going to be like 72, maybe even 73 across south side. And then by next Thursday, temperatures drop to 60. On day 8, next Friday, temperatures will likely fall into the 50s. So overall, we are looking at that chance for some showers tonight, lingering into tomorrow morning. Another chance for some spotty precipitation on Saturday. Rain-snow mix for us here on Saturday. More snow showers west, more rain showers east. Sunday, Monday look for the most part dry, maybe a stray thunder shower Tuesday. By late Wednesday, we may have the chance for a few thunder showers, and then Thursday looks to be the day next week where we will have the best chance for thunderstorms. So certainly going to feel like springtime out there for us as we look at next week's forecast. Going to feel like winter on Saturday. It's going to feel like spring 2 days later. I want to show you, if you're just joining us, the radar here. It is, again, 10:09. I'm going to go back and rewind and show you what the radar picture looks like here a little bit after 10 o'clock so you can kind of get an idea what to expect here for the rest of tonight. We talked about a lot in this Appcast. I'm wondering if I'm ever going to get to the radar. There's Future Tracker. All right, there's a look at the regional view. This is our next weather maker. Okay, this is what's going to be impacting us tonight. There are some thunderstorms west, but I don't anticipate hearing any rumbles of thunder here. It's just going to be rain. And it could be light to moderate rain here as we head into tonight, even into tomorrow morning. We do have the heaviest rain right now being reported out across Bland and Wythe counties. Okay, so the heaviest rain situated right now right along Interstate 77, Highway 52, Interstate 81, Highway 11, as you head into Rural Retreat, also as you head into Wytheville. Rain is lighter towards Hillsville, Harrisburg, and also into Radford. Further north, Covington seeing some showers. Folks in, excuse me, Hot Springs also seeing some light showers. Even Lexington south towards Natural Bridge seeing a couple of showers as well. All these showers are pushing to the east at a clip of around about 20 to 25 miles per hour. And the rain is going to become, I think, a little more the name of the game for you folks, even in Lynchburg and south side locations here over the next 60 to 120 minutes. Certainly with this storm system, we're going to have more rain west and less rain to the east. Thinking we're going to see anywhere from about a trace to about a quarter of an inch of rain. Those quarter of an inch amounts are certainly going to be out west, and those trace amounts are going to be a little bit further to the east. All right, friends, current time is 10:11. We'll be back here in about 50 minutes from now with our 11 o'clock newscast. We do hope to see you then. Hope you enjoyed this Appcast, and we'll see you again real soon.